going to the transmission place. They saying it's something internal because they don't see any. I guess like whatever they talking about. But I'm about to go see what's up. Yeah, about to go see what's going on because I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go get this shit lined up. You know, go get lined up. Probably can't do nothing with the top. I really ain't tripping because I ain't really no taper type of guy. But with this, it's time to, you know, do more to it. So, you know, we gonna see what's up with the trans. See what's up with the trans. Toss it on. Make sure we got a good understanding of what's going on. And then go on from there because I need that done. I got the best parts for real. No fake. Yeah, you already know. Went on break for work. Cause guess what? Right now, we're finna go pick up the red. Well, no, we in the red on G8. Finna go pick up the black G8. Yeah, it's done. It's finished. It's ready to get picked up. And we finna make something happen. So, finna let this car warm up. Finna go pick up who's going to help me. Go get it. And, yeah. So, I'm gonna go do that. And I'll catch y'all back when I made it to the shop. I'm looking crazy, but hey, this would get everything paid. So got the black one, red one. Like, bro, it's finally done. It ain't too bad. Definitely gotta get it clean, but I'm finna go on a little test run. Probably ain't gonna record it until like I actually get home and stuff. This is pretty bad. Yeah, that's bad. But all right. Finally got it picked up, man. And I still didn't spend that much. But as you see, it got these little imperfections as far as I need to switch the tires out. I'm running on my burnout tires. So that need to be switched out and stuff like that. But other than that, that boy looked like a GT from the back. Shut up. Turn That bitch off, bro. That motherfucker driving. Let's go ahead with that. She ain't that. This gonna get wicked for y'all niggas. That real goat out. Dog, I could definitely see how he was floating in it, bitch. Bro, cause this bitch do float. Like, definitely gonna need suspension. You see that? Oh, this boy try to float. This boy be trying to get the fuck on. Oh my god. Yo. No way. Nigga, what? It's so over for niggas, I swear, bro. That real bitch outside. Yo, this bitch causing damage, nigga. Dog, that shit funny. Oh my god, I definitely see why this nigga's having fun. Bro, this is my first V6, so like, my first time having like, bro, it's so surreal, bro. Like, I'm definitely that nigga that got the V6, straight by V6, going dumb. Dog, this shit funny, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Dog, this that real motherfucking pat for real, nigga. I'm doing that real motherfucking pat. Bro, that shit funny for real, I ain't gonna lie. Dog, this that motherfucking pat. Sick. Side to side. V8. V6. Them boys looking nice. Definitely got clean now. I know y'all see that how that rotor did it, and I gotta clip that bumper back on, but you see it. But I'm gonna get y'all a couple revs. I ain't gonna lie. I could have started the video a minute ago, but I had to get stuff situated. The battery was actually dead on the car, like bad, to where I had to go get a jump start you know, little machine. Had to go put air in that tire because you already know that tire is the one that I was sliding with. And shoot, I kind of cleaned up the rust that was over there. Cause the rotors was like, I guess the rotor was so fucked, the one he had on last time, that it just put hella brake dust right there. And I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely gonna need that that love, because that brake dust was sitting there for a minute. I don't know how long, but like it was sitting there definitely for a minute. But yeah, I'm finna go get it washed. I already got the plate for it, so like we green for real. Like it's almost time to put that red one up. I know it's crazy to put it up during the summer, but like you have to be in your own lane. Like you don't have to start something winter and then come out summer. Yeah, it's more practical, but as long as you in your own little lane and you go based off how your life is set and going, that's all that really matters. I ain't gonna lie. All that other stuff, trying to connect with other people, you don't have to do all that. Move at your own pace, my boy. That's how you get shit going. That's how they wonder how you doing shit. But shit, about to pull up to this motherfucker real quick. Y'all been here already. Gotta wipe y'all off. Oh. Yep. Definitely had to get a little wax. Man. What? I didn't even see they got a chip on my shit. What? Right, so y'all see it now. That boy clean now. That boy clean. Boy, it look way better. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that. Oh yeah.